Okay, here we have a brief overview of my 80cc full suspension bike build. You got the forks mounted and got the rotor going. Here we can see the gas tank. Kind of experimenting with different pipes right now. The drawback on this build is I have to use the stock head with the forward angle spark plug, and then I don't have room to run a reed box valve. So this build is going to be based on a semi-stock motor. Got my chain tensioner mounted in there, and I just got my 220 millimeter rotor along with the motorcycle rear caliper. Just measured for brake lines. They should be here in the next couple of days. And since I'm running dual master reservoirs for each of the brake calipers, we have a twist grip clutch with locking pin. So I'll be able to engage the clutch and pedal the bike. So stay tuned for more updates.